Hey guys, Jeremy with Speedwerx here, coming to you with an update to one of our already new and exciting products. We're talking about the Hypershift clutch kits for the Polaris Boost, Assault, trail models. So we've had them for 23s, and then in 24 they switched the belt, and due to low snow season, things like that, we didn't have a chance to get our calibration finalized. We do now. So now we have them. You have setups for the 23, or if you're running the 23 belt, and now we have them for the 24s and 25s as well. That's what we're talking about here in this video, is the setup for the 24s and 25s. Or if you had your 23 and you switch to that belt, that's what we're talking about. The kits retail for $629.95. If you want, click the link below. It'll take you right to our website. You can read up on it, you can order it, go from there. From there, we'll dive into it. So the new belt it acts harder. I'll just say it's harder. So we had to change some things with the weight tune-up and the helix angles to get the RPMs where we wanted them and to make everything happy so it performed the way we wanted. Those are the big changes that were made. And again, so VR1 and Assault models with the 1-inch to 1.35-inch track, there's a setup for that. And then if you have the 1.5 inch, a 1.6, or all the way up to a 2.0 track, the calibration changes to accommodate that deeper lug track. We have that. Again, they retail for $629.95. You know, the weights, the helixes, the rollers, all this stuff we make right here in-house. We have a spring manufacturer make the springs for us, but this stuff's all made in the USA. We're proud of that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let us know. But again, clutch kits for the 24, 25 Polaris Boost trail models, stock horsepower, and with our ECU tunes, whether that be the 2.5 or higher, all that stuff is available now.